Service in Huntsville, Alabama has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Marshall County in northeastern Alabama, south central Jackson County in northeastern Alabama, southwestern DeKalb County in northeastern Alabama, northeastern Coleman County in north central Alabama, southeastern Morgan County in north central Alabama, until 11:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Strawberry, or 7 miles southwest of Arab, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Albertville, Scottsboro, Guntersville, Arab, Fife, Grant, Geraldine, Holly Pond, Section, and Baileyton. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time for north central and northwestern Alabama. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Alabama: Coleman, DeKalb, Jackson, Marshall,